What's going on YouTube? I'm back with another video. So guys, in this video I'm gonna speak about the alien catch, for Exagear. Now guys, I already posted a video on my channel already about the alien catch from Exagear because the alien had the 3.8 as you see right here, alien catch, and he also had the 3.9. But the 3.9 guys, that was taken down from GitHub. So but anyways, but I still have that file though, 3.9. I might make a video on that one, but like I said, this is another video about the alien catch 3.8. Now, guys, I also want to tell you this real quick. When it comes to having Exagear on Android, sometimes you can have multiple Exagears on Android. It's just depending on what you're installing, because sometimes some APKs can conflict with one another. Where if you download one, it'll be an error, right? It won't be an error, but it'll actually okay to update the app. That's because you can't have those two apps running at on the screen at the same time. It depends what you download. Like on my phone, I have Winlater, I have Multiwand, right? But you can have Multiwand and Exagear. It depends. So if you download the Alien Catch, right? And if you let's say you try to install this one, right? The Ludashi APK, because I said in the Alien Catch you get the 3 OBBs and you get these 6 APKs, right? Now, if you try to install, let's say the A&22 APK, watch this. It'll install it. Now, like I told you guys, I have Multiwand already installed on my phone. See right here, this app right here can be side by side. If you install A&22 3.8, this one also can be side by side. Now, these two right here, the Ludashi ones, guys, you can't. See, watch. If you try to install it, it's going to ask you to update. And the reason why it's saying the update is because I have the Multiwand, and the Multiwand application looks just like this, as you see right here, the way this looks. Now with this one, it's different. So if you're going to use, if you have Multiwand installed, just know that if you already have Multiwand installed on your phone already, but you also want to use the Alien Catch package, then you have to install A&22 or the A&22 3.8 APK. If you install Ludashi, it's going to update the Multiwand. You see what I'm saying? So it's going to conflict with each other. Now here you got the unbench. See, with the unbench you can use it, or the without bench you can use it. Okay, so those 4 you can use. But Ludashi, guys, if you have Multiwand, don't install this one. Only install Ludashi if you don't have Multiwand on your device, because like I said, the APK can conflict with one another. But I'm gonna install the A&22 one right here, guys. I'm just gonna show you. So guys, really the purpose of this video is just showing you like faster FPS on Exagear, right? Or at least faster FPS at least on this Exagear. Now I'm using this package, Alien Catch, right? Now if you open it, it's gonna say no OBB detected. Please try selecting it manually, right? But it's ready right here, right? Now here's my package. See, it says the WE 3.8. Well, that's the package, right? And see right here, it got well. This is the package. If I'm not mistaken, that's what I named it. Anyways, now you see you have the Alien Catch 3.8 OBB, the 3.8 boosted FPS, and the 3.8 7.1. Now here's the difference, guys. The 3.8 right catch, that's just the regular OBB. The Alien Catch 3.8.1 latest only 7.1 OBB. That's saying that catch only has wine 7.1. That's it. Okay. Sorry, let me go back though. The 3.8 OBB, that one has wine 6.0, 7.0, and wine 8.0. The boosted FPS has 6.0, 7.0, and 8.0. Okay, so for this video, guys, I'm gonna go with the boosted FPS experimental version, because with this catch, it will the Exagear will be it will be a little bit more smoother, and it will be faster. If you go to start menu, things will open up quicker, like that. That's why I say it's experimental, guys, but it is faster. So you can compare the boosted FPS to Multiwand. Because the Multiwand, right, guys, you have that boost feature where it shows boost. It has boost on, boost off, but you select, it's automatically, for the first time you install the Multiwand, right, the APK and OBB, it's automatically off. But you have to turn it on via the start menu, okay? So they're kind of the same. Now, Winlater, guys, Winlater at the moment doesn't support like a boosted FPS. It don't have and things like that. It doesn't support that feature. But for the Multiwand, it does. And for Alien Catch, use the boosted FPS if you want to experience that faster experience. Yeah. Hope you guys are all doing good. It's a good morning. I'm gonna post this. I'm gonna just probably just do this one video for at least for Exagear. And guys, these are all packages like the alien catch package, the multi-wand. These are all different just packages. You see what I'm saying? So on Android, just test out different packages and see what works. For you, because it's so much going on when it comes to Exagear and stuff like that. So I'm gonna go to the bottom right here. It says the extra features. Right, hold on. Change location. I always select the directory name. I just go to go to download. Okay, so preferences change to start. That's just so when you go to once you open it up, and then yeah, once you open it up, then that way you can all your files will be in the downloads, under D. So go to plus. See, you got one 6.0, 7.0, and 8.0. Oh, you know what? Never mind, guys. I was wrong. I thought that the boosted FPS had 7.0, so 7.1. But the 3.8.1 is just 7.1 only. That's my mistake, guys. But anyways, I'm going with 8.0. You go to dot over here. Go to properties. For rename, you rename what you want. I just like to just save it as the wine is on. That's mostly what I do. Screen size, guys, up to you. Some games is gonna be great for 800 by 600. Now 640 by 480 for some games, guys, that's necessary. And the reason why I say that is because you might run some classic PC games on Exagear, right? And when you open up the game, it won't take full screen, of your display. But when you do about 640 by 480, it'll do the full screen. So it does it for some games like Fallout, games like I can't remember the game that I'm thinking about. It's called the something, guys. I can't remember the name of the game. Shoot, what the heck is the name of that game? What in the world? What in the world? Hold on, guys. You know what? Hold on. Hey, man, let me get that game real quick. Let me see where's that at. So I'm trying to remember it, guys. I can't even remember it. There we go. The Thing. There we go. That game. The Thing. All right. Yeah, I could not remember. Yeah, so for that game, The Thing, it also will go full screen at 640 by 480. I tried an 800 by 600, but it won't take full screen. And the graphics, I have to keep it at 32-bit. The controls always go to CP 10 touchpad. Sorry, guys, for that little, that little hassle right there. I couldn't remember the game. Okay, so you can go back, and you can run at this point. Hold on, guys. Okay, so error here. Hold on. Okay, guys, not really sure about this error here. Give me a second, guys. Give me a second, so I can try to find out what's going on with this error. All right, guys, hold on. Give me a second. Hold on. Oh, okay, guys, I'm back. Oh, I see, guys. I forgot about that error. Guys, when you get that long error like that, at first I'm like, what's going on? Now, I went to my notification, right? And you see right here, it just says screen recording. But, okay. Now, when you have Exagear, right, on your device, and sometimes even if you exit out of it, if you just leave out of it, especially if you didn't, let's just say you left out of it, right? But you didn't actually exit the Exagear, but you left out of it. It can still leave it in the notification. It will say, like, what does it say? Like Exagear server or X server, whatever. So it's still like somewhere in the background, even though you left out the app, but you didn't fully exit. You see what I'm saying? So that's when you get that error. So when you exit, you gotta completely exit. Like, don't just hit the home button and all that, and then get all the apps out of the background task. Don't do that. Like, go to Exagear and actually exit, off the program and actually exit it. You see what I'm saying? Before you clear the background task, because then it will save it like that it's still open somewhere. You see what I'm saying? So when that happens, Exagear is saying, okay, you have another emulation service, another, like you said, emulation service. So another Exagear, whatever, or another emulation service is activated somewhere, and the application detects it, and it's saying, okay, that's why it says fail. It says, okay, I can't open because I realize that this is open over here, so I'm blocked. So you have to fully exit out of that in order to run it. So that's why I wasn't running, because I had multi-run running in the background, and I didn't pay attention to that. So you gotta make sure you fully exit out of any other Exagear on your device, so that way your new Exagear will run. See, now guys is running. See, that was my fault, guys. My fault. You know, I forgot about that. But if you get that error, guys, that's what it's talking about. So anyways, so like I said, this is the new one. Like I said, you know, the experiment. It's fast though, guys. I still like it. You know, I'm gonna just show you some things I install for first install. I always do Wine Mono installer. Now Wine Gecko, I already have Wine Gecko as a file on my device. But if you try to activate the Internet Explorer, you know, then it's automatically gonna install the Wine Gecko. You see what I'm saying? So let's go to start, go to control panel. See guys, see how quick it is? Okay. Start, boom. See how quick? Bow. That's what I'm saying. The boosted FPS is definitely quicker. Now you go to add programs. Now the Wine Mono runtime, that's what's installed first. Guys, this video might be a little longer, but that's okay, because we're talking about it. We're talking about some things. Wine D3D, guys, it's up to you. Me personally, I always go over here to the 2.2.3. Okay. For turn up, you know, I go to the Adreno 7, because like I said, that's what I have. Also, like I said, if you go to, let's just say, hold on, where is it at? I think it's in C, Windows. No, this might be wrong. No. Hold on. Okay, yes. Okay, there we go. So if you go to C, program files, and then Internet Explorer, open this up. See right here, see it says Wine Gecko installer. So this automatically pops up. It says Wine cannot find a Gecko package which is needed for application embedding HTML to work correctly. Wine can automatically download and install for you. So you click on install. Now guys, when it installs this is not the latest version of Wine Gecko, right? Even if you install the latest Wine Gecko, it will still ask you to install Wine Gecko when you open up the Wine Internet Explorer. You see what I'm saying? So now that I said faster with the boosted FPS, see guys, see the FPS still that? It's still a little quicker. I'll show you some more. Let's go to Google. Let me show you, go to Google. Show you that, you know, everything's a little faster. Oops, that was my fault, guys. I was supposed to hit enter. See how fast it loaded, guys? That's what I'm saying. This is a boosted FPS experimental. So you can see that, see guys? So it's definitely faster. You know, guys, Alien did a great job, you know, with this project. He did a great job, you feel what I'm saying? So you go to some fixes, guys. I'm not knowledgeable on this here, so if I don't touch on it, guys, I'm not knowledgeable on it. Here's your programs, control panel, internet, you know, React OS. Now here, guys, it's like the little store that is showing you some different stuff that you can add on to the Exagear. Now guys, when it's running like this, it takes a few seconds. But you see guys how fast it loaded up. So if this is like a different type of Exagear project, it might would have loaded up much slower. But anyways, that stuff you can look at. You got your program tweaks, in your computer, see that task manager, Wine CFG, where you can look at your Windows version. So this goes up to Windows 10. About, see where you see a Wine version. Graphics, you can mess around with this if you want to. Screen resolution, this goes for the print. See 96 DPI. That's like, you know, like how close everything is, you know. But if you're 800 by 600, 96 DPI is definitely good. Excuse me. So let's go back to the start. Add programs. See Wine Gecko. Yeah. For installers, you got different. Now I'm not knowledgeable about all this stuff here, guys. I would say before you install this stuff, look at it. Like look up D Music, look up D Scaler before you install it. this M9 codecs. You know, look up online like what this stuff is before you do it. That's one of media players, so you can install media. But anyways, so Visual CC. So all this stuff, guys, like I said, is going to install faster. But this is your Microsoft Visual, you know, your run times. All in one by Wizard, you know, at Tech Power Up. Tech Power Up, guys, that's a website. You know, techpowerup.com. This takes a little second, guys, to you know, to install all the runtime packages. You know, but guys, if you want to, guys, you can just fast forward this part. You know what I'm saying? You can fast forward into the next, you know. But it installs kind of quick. You know. So we're gonna give it a second. Give it a second. But yeah. So guys, between this is basically a part 2. Like I said, this is just like I said, just like, you know, faster. You know, Exagear. You know, this is a part 2 to my first one I made. See, show you the run times. So depending, guys, some things you install, it will add it to the start menu. Okay, so you got folders, driver, fonts, libwine. Guys, I'm not knowledgeable. Like I said, I'll talk about that when I get, you know, when I look at more so what it is. You know, you got your DirectX, you got DirectX Fix. Now, you know with X here, guys, it's already pre-installed with DirectX. It already comes with the 9.0C. You know, so you got different DirectXs here. Direct 3D, you know, it's showing some things. Basically, your registry, but it's saying your CMST. It's letting you know, and then see it tells you what it is. It fixed V shader limit, so it's telling you what it is. GPU names. No, that's an Nvidia 9800 GT. That's by default. So it shows you everything like that. Yeah. So D3D sound. You can just select one, guys. I haven't selected ones. I'm not gonna select none at the moment. Let's go to run. Let's go to this one. Now this is what I realized. When I'm using Alien Catch, the sound is automatically here, right? So here we go. Okay, now when I'm using multi-one, guys, and I set that up, these sounds not activated. What it will say is it'll be grayed out, and then it'll say you have to go to sounds and devices and to enable it. But guys, on Exagear, I don't know how to do that. So if you know how to do it, let me know, and I'll make another video about doing that. But anyways, to display, you can look at, you know, you test your Direct 3D. So it's really cool. So, you know, say you see like the test and stuff like that. I'm pretty sure, guys, I went over this in the first video. I'm only showing you this part 2 because this is basically about the speed up. So since it's about the speed up of the Exagear on the Alien Catch, I figured, like, why not just you know, let's just talk about some of this stuff that I already spoke about. Maybe I spoke about something, maybe something I didn't speak about. And this video's a little long, guys. That's okay. If you like it, thank you. If you don't like it, you know, I don't care. Because, you know, somebody out there might want to hear it. Everybody else, if you think it's boring, you can leave off the video. So I can show you, you know, I was using the 2.3 for the DXVK. And you use different ones, guys. Sometimes different ones you might get different performance. So you said show you all your tests are successful. Yeah. So it shows your processor, Intel Pentium 3. Also, guys, I want to show you something real quick. Oh, this is PZip. Let me install PZip real quick. It's a cool program, guys. You can unzip files and stuff like that for Exagear. Standard installation, guys. That's what I use. Now, I enabled this one too, the ISO, just in case you got to open up an ISO file. So that's cool. When it boosts FPS, guys, applications will open up faster. Programs will work quicker too. So that's cool. Like, you know. So if you go to start menu, go to programs, see now you got PZip. See? You can click on it. And if you open up something from the start menu, usually you only gotta click it one time, and then after that it'll open. See? Now if it's on the desktop, you gotta double click it for it to open. But if it's in the start menu, you only gotta click it one time. So this is cool, guys. If you want to use it now, now with the Alien Catch, let me see. Cause some of these Exagears they automatically come with 7-zip, but I guess it doesn't. All right, okay. Now let me show you this one real quick. I'm gonna install this too. This right here, guys, is like a benchmark. This right here is a this right here is like a benchmark for DirectX 9 you know, so now if you go to your start menu, you see it's right here, HCI demos. It's just one demo. I don't know if you can add more demos to that, but see, that's cool. Cause if you go back to run, right, go to see right here it says DirectX version 9.0C. So this HCI, like I said, demo is about this. It's for, you know, it's for DirectX 9. So I'm gonna try to look for more demos like that. So I'll play a demo. I don't know if I played it in my last video, but I'll play it over here to show you. Hold on. I'm gonna put on the side panels, you know, just so that way it makes it easier. Now, guys, if you use the escape button, that will bring up the menu like on that demo. And if you use the REN, that's like saying enter. And the SPA, I believe that's space. Okay, let's run it real fast. This is the last thing I'll show because this video is super long. Okay, there you go, guys. See, I wasn't really so much trying to do the whole demo, but there it is. And I will definitely make more videos, guys. You know, involving these with these demos. And for each video I make about Exagear, guys, I'll let you know what cache I'm using. Like I said, this is the Alien cache, you know, 3.8. If I'm using multi-wand in the title, it will be multi-wand. So that way you're not confused on which that way you're not confused, you know, about oh, guys, that was just my wife texting me. But anyways, as I say, you seen the message, that was just my wife. That's all. But anyways, you know, if I'm making a video, if it's involved multi-wand, I'll put multi-wand in the title. If it's alien catch or whatever package I'm using, I will put that in the title. So you know, okay, this is multi-wand, alien catch, this is, you know, etc. Oh, if it's win later, you know it's win later. But anyway, guys, thank you guys for watching. Like I said, Alien did a great job. Great job to Alien and anybody who helped Alien with the project. You know, good. Many blessings to all you guys, because y'all bring all this excitement to mobile. So thank you very much, and everybody be blessed. Deuces.